The Siege of Inverness Castle took place in 1562, during the reign of Mary, Queen of Scots. According to historical accounts, the castle was closed to the Queen by Alexander Gordon, who was acting on the orders of George Gordon, Earl of Huntly. The Queen's supporters then laid siege to the castle, which lasted for 3 days. When the castle fell, Alexander Gordon was hanged for treason and some members of the garrison were imprisoned, while others were allowed to go free. According to George Buchanan's account, the Fraser and Munro clans were among those who came to the Queen's aid during the siege. It is also said that other clans, such as the Mackenzies, Rosses, and Frasers, contributed to the Queen's rescue. However, only the Frasers and Munros are mentioned in Buchanan's account. The English diplomat Thomas Randolph recorded a remark made by Queen Mary at Inverness, who was in high spirits and undismayed in the conflict. When the night watch returned in the morning, she regretted that she was not a man to know what life it was to lie all night in the fields, or to walk upon the causeway with a jack and knapschall, a Glasgow buckler and a broadsword. The Siege of Inverness Castle was an important event in the reign of Mary, Queen of Scots, and had significant political and historical implications. It demonstrated the Queen's determination and resilience in the face of adversity, and her willingness to stand up to those who sought to oppose her. It also highlights the complex political climate of the time, with rival factions vying for power and influence. The siege also marked the beginning of a period of relative stability for the Queen, who was able to assert her authority and establish her rule in the aftermath of the conflict.